Good morning children. So today we are going to see division. So division is repeated subtraction. You know, right? Multiplication is repeated addition. Likewise, division is repeated subtraction of a number. Okay, so division can be done in two methods. One is division by grouping. Okay, so in division by grouping, what you will do is you will group the things into equal parts. And then there are second one is division by subtraction. In division by subtraction, what you will do is you will keep on subtracting the number from the bigger number so that you will get 0 or remainder something which is less than the given number. Okay, so now we are first going to see division by grouping. Okay, so first they have told you revision exercise, page number 9. Now first one, encircle the object as shown in the example and write the answers in the given box. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to group them according to the number given as division. Okay, so first look into the example 1. In example 1, there are how many rats in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 rats and 6 is divided by 3. So what you have to do is you have to group the rats into 3, 3, 3. Okay, so you have to group the rats so that one group contains 3 rats. Okay, that is what they have told you to do. So next one, first one, when you divide the 6 rats into 3 groups, 3 rats in one group, you get 2 groups. So answer is 2. Okay, so in second one, there are how many ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 ducks. Okay, and what they have asked you to do is you have to split the 10 ducks into groups that contains 5 in one group. So what you have to do is you have to make a group of ducks having 5 and then you have to move and make a group of ducks that has 5. Okay, so first one, so 5 as one group and then so first what you did is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You made a 5 group and circled it. And then afterwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one more groups and you circled it. So what you did is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 ducks and what you did is you separated them into groups so that one group contains 5 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 one group and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 another group. So how many group you got? 1 group and 2 group. So your answer is 2. Now the second one. There are how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 flowers. What you have to do is you have to split them into groups so that one group contains 4 flowers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's consider this as the 20 flowers, and what you have to do, you have to split them into groups so that one group contains 4 flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4, one group, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Second group, 4 flowers, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Third group contains 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth group contains 4 flowers, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth group contains 4 flowers. So how many groups you made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20, when you divide it into 4, you will get 5. Now the third one is, you have a baby. How many babies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You have to divide this 15 into groups so that one group contains how many babies? 3. Okay, so what are you going to do is, you are going to split them in the same way so that each group contains 3 babies. Okay, so now options, third one, C and D will be your homework. We have to divide, you have to make them into groups so that each group contains 3 babies, and find the answers how many, and you have to write it in the box given. And the fourth one is, there are 9 dogs and you have to split the 9 dogs into groups so that one group contains how many dogs? 3. So then you have to write the answers of how many groups you will get. Okay, so now second Roman is, what you have to do is, you have to divide them by repeated subtraction. Okay, so how many times you are subtracting, that you will find. So first one, 12 divided by 4. So in this, what you have to do is, this is dividend. The first one is dividend, and the second one is divisor. What you have to do is, you have to subtract the dividend from the divisor. Okay, so first what you should do is, you should subtract 4 from 12. Okay, so you got 12 and you have to subtract 4 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All you have to do is, you have to subtract 4 from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is gone, no. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got answer as 8. Now again what you have to do is, you have to subtract 8 from 4. Now 8 minus 4. Now you got 8 and you have to subtract 4 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how much you got? See, you got 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you are going to write 4. Now you got 4 here, so what you have to do? You have to again subtract 4 from 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So now your answer will be, how many 4s you have subtracted. So here 1 4 you subtracted, and here 1 4 you subtracted, and here 1 4 you subtracted. So totally you subtracted 3 4s from 12. So your answer will be 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Understood? So we'll solve some more sums so that it will be easy for you. Now second one is 25 divided by 5. Now see, this is dividend. The first one is dividend and the second one is divisor. You have to subtract the divisor from the dividend. Now 25 minus 5. So subtraction 25 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0 and 2 will be down. Now 25 minus 5 is 20. Again what you have to do, you have to subtract the 20 from 5. Now 20 minus 5 will be, see here you have 0, so you will borrow from 2 you will get 1 year and 10 year. So 10 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 10 minus 5 is 5 and you got 1 year, which is 15. Now again you have to subtract this 15 with 5. So 15 minus 5 is equal to 15 and you have to subtract 5 from it. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 1 you will get there. So 10 is the answer. Now again what you have to do, you have to subtract 5 from this 10. So 10 minus 5. So you know that 10 minus 5 is 5, that you will write here. Now again 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Now your answer will be 25 divided by 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you subtracted it 5 times. So 25 minus 5 will be 5. Now what we are going to solve is, we are going to divide 42 by 7 by repeated subtraction. So 42 minus 7. So 42 subtract 7 from it. Here you have 2. 2 is lesser than 7. So you will borrow from 4. So if you borrow 1 from 4, you will get 3 and 2 will be 12. So 12 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 and 3. You got 35. So 35 minus 7. 5 is lesser than 7, so you will borrow 1 from here. So this will become 2 and this will become 15. So 15, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got 8 here and 2 here. 28. Again what you have to do, you have to subtract 28 from 7. So 28 minus 7. So 8 minus 7 is, so 8 minus 7 is 1. And 2 you can write here. Now answer is 21. Again what you have to do, you have to subtract 7 from 21. So 21 minus 7 will be, this becomes 1 and this becomes 11. 11 minus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remaining is 4. So 4 you will get here and 1 you will get here. So the answer is 1 and 4. Now again what you have to do, you have to subtract it from 7. So 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have to subtract 7 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is gone. So remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7 you got. Now again what you have to do, you have to subtract 7 from it. So 7 minus 7 is 0. So your answer for 42 divided by 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. So there are 2 more sums which will be your homework. Okay. Now we are moving on to division by algorithm method. Okay, standard algorithm method. Example 1. What they have given, we have to divide 84 by 4. Divide 84 by 4. Now the first term, the big one, is dividend, and the second one is divisor. For division, all you have to do is you have to put this one first, and then look at here, the dividend. Okay, the dividend should be inside and the divisor should be outside. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to look into the first term inside, large highest term, whichever you have. Okay, here tens, see this is unit and this is tens, so here tens is the highest one. So what you have to do is you have to look into the tens and see the number is 8 and come out and see the divisor. The divisor is 4. 4 is less than 8. So what you have to do is you can start telling tables. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 4 twos are 8 you got. So what next, what you have to do? You have to subtract this 8 from 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now this is over. So what you are going to do is you are going to get the next term down, which is 4. So here you have 4 and here you have 4. Right. So what you are going to do is you are going to start telling tables. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So your answer will be 21. 84 divided by 4 is equal to 21. Now, the second example is 49 divided by 2. Divided by 2. The same thing you have to do. You have to write this table first and then the dividend, first number is dividend, right? That you will write inside and the divisor is outside. Now what you have to do is you have to look into the first number, which is 4 here, and you have to compare this with this divisor. Divisor is smaller, right? So you start telling tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 4 you got. So 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Right. Now this is over. So what you will do is you will get the next term down, which is 9. Now 9 is greater than 2. So what you will do is you will start telling tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. See, here you have 9 and 2 fives are 10 you got. 10 is greater than 9, right? So you cannot subtract 10 from 9. Yes or no? You cannot. So what you will do is you will go to the number before. You will go to the table before. So 2 fours are. 2 fours are what? 2 fours are 8. Right. So what you will do is you will use this one. 2 fours are 8. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. Here you got 1 as the number, reminder. Here you got 0 and here you got 1. The first one, the term on the top is quotient. And the term here is remainder. And whenever you are doing a division sum, what you have to consider is you have to consider the quotient first. Quotient will be your answer because you will get remainder as 0 sometimes. Sometimes you may get some other number. Okay, but remember that quotient is your answer always. Okay, so example 2 is finished. Now what you are going to do is you are going to see example 3, which is a life problem. Example 3. Srinivasa has a chocolate box having 32 pieces. He wants to share it equally among his 8 friends. How many pieces does each friend get? Okay, so first Srinivasa has how many pieces of chocolate? 32 pieces. And How many friends he has? He has 8 friends. To divide 32 pieces among 8 friends, what you have to do is you have to divide 32 by 8. So think about it. He has 32 pieces and he has 8 friends. You have to divide it among 8 friends. So what you will do is you will make a first 8 one. Okay, so what you will do is you will subtract the 32 from 8. Okay, then you will get an answer. Again what you will do? You will again subtract it among the 8 friends, right? So 1, 1, 1. First what you will do, for example, you have 10 chocolates and there are 2 friends. What you will do? You give 1 chocolate one friend and the other chocolate other friend. So 2 will be subtracted, and then 1 chocolate here, 1 chocolate there. 2 will be subtracted. Again 1 chocolate here, 1 chocolate there. 2 will be subtracted. Like that only you will do. No. The same way you have to subtract this 8 from 32 once, and then 8 from 32 second, 8 from 32 third. So how many ever you will get, unless or until it becomes 0. Okay. So what we are going to do is you are going to subtract 32 divided by 8. Now 32 divided by 8. So what you are going to do is you are going to look into the first number, which is 3, right? 3, and look into this number 8, right? So 8 is greater than 3, but if this one is smaller, then you can take this, because you have to subtract, right? So you cannot take it now. So what you will do is you will consider this both terms 32, and you start telling 8 tables. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Right. 32 is your answer. So what you will do is 8 fours are 32. 8 into 4s are 32. 32 minus 32 will be 0. So your answer will be 32 divided by 4 is equal to 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. So each of his 8 friends will get 4 chocolates. So with this we will come to a conclusion for this video. Okay, so do your homeworks and send it to me. See you in the next class. Bye.